So you're here because your AcePro 2 or your X5 or your X4 doesn't sound good when you're recording with the Mic Air. Why is that? There's a few reasons. One, you want to go into your camera settings, look for the Bluetooth icon. Now look and see what microphone you're connected to. Go to the settings. There's a Bluetooth microphone gain and there's a external microphone gain. You want to adjust the Bluetooth gain. If your microphone is too low, you want to go up in value on that gain. If it's too high and too peaky, then you want to drop the gain volume, okay? That's reason number one. Number two, you're outside, you're vlogging, it's noisy outside. You're like, oh man, there's too much noise in my audio. Well, if you have your settings, if you go to your Insta360 settings on the camera, in the microphone section, it's gonna have an option called dual track audio. This feature is only selectable when you have a wireless microphone connected to the camera like we do right now. The Mic Air is inside of my chest somewhere. You don't see it because we don't do exposed microphones, playa. You want to go in that setting and turn it on. This gives you more flexibility because sometimes when you're recording, the microphone built into the camera actually sounds better than the Mic Air depending on its placement. You might get better audio with the built-in microphone. Now here's the trickery with Insta360. If you take that setting and you turn it on, you record your video. Now follow me, let's go to the app. In the app there, you see there's a slider. You're gonna go through the settings, you're gonna look for dual track audio. You're gonna select that, and now you have a slider that moves more to the left and more to the right. Now, sometimes I get this confused, but if I'm not mistaken, Insta360 has it set up where if you slide it towards where the camera is, it's actually more of the actual Mic Air and not the camera's built-in mics. And if you slide it the other direction towards the Bluetooth symbol, then it'll be the audio coming more from the actual camera itself. And all you gotta do is take your Mic Air while it's connected to your camera and put it up to your mouth, move the slider and tell me which microphone is going towards which icon on the app. So do what you will with that. If your Mic Air really does sound like poop with your AcePro 2, your X5 cameras, or your X4 Lite or X4, just make sure you check up on those settings. Make sure you want to check the gain settings. Definitely want to check microphone placement. If there's too much noise in your audio, make sure you have the windsock on. I do have a Jonasegway mic mod that I did with the Mic Air. However, I did the mic mod on the first generation of the Mic Air. There are two generations, and when I say two generations, the first generation, you was able to remove the windsock from the silicone cover. Now they kind of got it like built in, so unless you get real creative, you may not be able to take it out. I was able to take that windsock out and kind of do a custom fitting of some padding and stuff like that over that little hole that covers the actual microphone capsule. So, but anyways, make sure you check the microphone placement. There is noise reduction. I personally don't like using noise reduction because it makes your audio sound kind of digitalized. But if you think you might want to do that, then go for it, be my guest. I'm not a fan, but definitely check your placement, check your settings. And if you have any questions, you guys get in the comments below, ask away. Check out the links in the description. I'm gonna have an affiliate link to buy the Mic Air if you're interested. Now might not be a good time, I'm gonna be honest with you, to buy because all the prices of everything has went up like substantially. So I think I've paid maybe $39 for my Mic Air with the receiver. It may be a little bit more now. I do not have any discount codes, sorry, but if you absolutely gotta have this microphone, then go for it. Otherwise, if you can wait, I would tell you to wait. Again, if you have any questions, get in the comments below, ask away, all right? So Jonasegway, let me go put this video together and upload it so you guys can watch it, and I'll see y'all in the next video, right? Because you're gonna hit that subscribe button, right? I know you are. Make sure you get over there in G's Moto. G's Moto gonna be uploading some content throughout the spring and the summer months, so get over there and check her out. She's one of my biggest supporters. My man Luis, give him a shout out in the comments. Let me know what you guys was thinking about when you watched this video. Why did you watch the video? What are you looking for? Did I answer your questions? Let me know in the comments below. So if not, I can answer your questions, all right? I kind of almost always have these things with me, so I should be able to answer them. So thanks for watching. Peace, and you're welcome.